Welcome to the Two Fools YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to install a light for only $40. My name is Mike. This is my wife Amber.
Hi.
So we're going to show you the steps and things that you need to do that. So first thing that you're going to need is one of these boxes. You can get them for about 15 bucks at Home Depot. Second, you'll need some butt ties to make it nice, because I don't want to do outside wiring to make it, and also run a conduit. If you just do this for just one light, it'll be perfectly fine. I'll show you what you need to do with this. I like to hide the wire for the parts that I can't hide, so I want to use one of these little strips here. It's called CodeMate. So you can just use one of these big old things. This is a 5-foot section.
All right, I'm going to show you the tools that we need to get the job done. So we have the wire strippers, just a standard pair of wire strippers. I have the Craftsman drill 19.2 volt, and I have a standard kit of drill bits.
So now I'm going to show you where we're actually trying to put this stuff up at, so it kind of makes sense, so you know what to do in your kind of house. So what we're going to do is walk over to the area, what we're going to use for the plug for us. So we'll go show you that. So give me a couple seconds and we'll show that for you. So as you see here, there is a plug. So that's where we're going to go to plug. We're going to take the conduit and go all the way up to here, to the top of that. We're going to go straight across over here, and right between the two windows is where we're actually going to put the light. And I'll show you a different process through this. Feel free to tell us what I did wrong and where I can improve at, and your inputs and thoughts. I appreciate it. Hold on, and we'll start moving on to the next thing for you. All right, so the reason I put this strip up here, because then now the cord, when I run the cord through that, it's actually going to hold it into place, so that way I don't have to fight the cord and hold it. So I know it kind of seems out of the way, but in the end you'll see how easy it's going to be to make your life. All right, so as you see, I started the cord over here. So now what you do is you just pull it up, just like that, keep pulling it up, and it's going to go through here and hide all the way through here, and all our extra cord we're going to run behind me. So we're going to show you how to, so I did get a ladder since I thought I was taller than I really was, but apparently I wasn't. So as you see, I'm just using my fingers, pulling the cable and pushing it all the way up through here. There might have been smarter, just to let you guys know, to put the cord and then put this up here. Would have probably been a smarter idea, but like I said, I'm showing you the easy way that I tried, and you guys now know what not to do when you do it. All right, we'll come back to you when we get the cord run on the other side and how we did it. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and cut the end, so that way I can get it to go through this little thing. I hope you can see. So we're going to go ahead and cut this right here, like this, and then cut the end off of it. I'd recommend a pretty sharp pair of scissors, because this is 16 gauge, so it will unfortunately take a little bit to get through it. So you get to have the watch me struggle do this. So now you know, use sharp tools, don't use dull tools. Bam, cut off. Always make sure unplug before you do anything like this, so you not electrocute yourself. Very important. All right, we're gonna go back in the montage or slow-mo or whatever you want to call the thing, and we'll keep running the cable. Alright, so as you see here, I cut the wires and I stripped them all out, cut the end of it, so that's what you need to do next. Next thing what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to hang the light, and then we'll go back through and try to wire everything together and see how it works. We'll see what happens. So I wired these two wires together. These are color white and white, black and black. That's how I feel it should go. And then we have the white here, so white goes to white, black goes to black, and then this green goes the little green guy in here, and that'll be the ground. And then what we do is you take this little wire, you shove it through the hole, you find exactly, pull it through to get tight so you can try not to see what it is. And then obviously you want to adjust your lights. Those can be adjusted later. So you just want to get it so it's flat on your house. And then I'm going to use drywall screws, which I have right here, to see if it works. But you're about to find out the first time with me. If you think I should use something different, like always, tell me what I did wrong and tell me what to do better. So here we go.
In some documents, explorers gave.
All right, there's one.
Places.
So now you just do the same thing over again, and we'll get back to you after it's hung up, and we'll go through the wiring together. If you make a wire too short and you try to stick it in the thing, it's going to come right out. So make sure you get enough wire on the ground, because it will just pull out like it just did for me. Just a pro tip that I just learned. Wanted to share with you. All right, as you see here, I got everything wired up, and we're going to go ahead. I have it pointed here, and then I also have the other one pointed to our grill so we can see it at night on the grill. I'll let you guys know how this works out, and maybe I'll do a video tonight to see how well they work. All right, that's how you install a light on the outside, DYI. Let us know what we did wrong so we can try to help out and make it better, to show other people what our mistakes are. We're here to learn together as a family. My name is Mike.
I'm Amber. Wait,
this is the family saying goodbye.
Thanks.